These hidden tricks will make you a better lover. ABC News reports that recent studies have revealed that a majority of women, or 75% to be more specific, cannot have an orgasm through sexual stimulation by their male partner alone. Thus, additional sexual stimulation is often required for them to reach orgasm. In addition to these findings, the study also reports that up to 15% of women are unable to reach orgasm ever. In this guide, we'd like to provide men who find that they are unable to make their partner have an orgasm every time discover ways to make women orgasm. 7 of the most effective ways to utilize when you want to make a woman climax. Number 1, start things off with some foreplay. A lot of men tend to rush into things when it comes to sex. This, however, is not the best way to ensure a woman reaches orgasm during sex. Men's Health recommends asking a woman what turns her on and to make listening to her a priority. They also explain that starting out with a warm-up, such as a massage with aromatherapy oil, can be a great way to stimulate her sexual desires and make sex more intense. Number 2, make a glass of wine part of your foreplay. Men's Health in the UK explains that a recent study conducted by the University of Florence found a glass of red wine to considerably boost a woman's arousal prior to sexual intercourse. This could well be the missing ingredient in your recipe for giving your female partner a great orgasm during sex. Make sure you click the subscribe button now, because this is the only channel that'll give you an edge between the sheets, no matter your size. Number 3, try out some couples kegels. These exercises were originally created to assist women with easing of childbirth, but has since become very popular for both men and women as a way to improve their sex lives. Age, weight, and many other factors cause the pelvic floor muscles to become weaker. Kegel exercise helps to strengthen these muscles, offering a wide variety of benefits to both men and women. Number 4, take things slowly. If you're looking for the answer to what is the fastest way to make a woman come, then the fact that you are asking this question is likely to be the area where your problem lies. Rushing things off while having sex can make the entire session turn from something steamy into something that is quite awkward. The important thing here is to make sure sex stays sex and does not turn into something that makes both you and your partner simply want to get it over with. Number 5, spend some time in the gym. Cosmopolitan reports that recent research has suggested that women are more likely to have an orgasm when the guy she is having sex with is hot. This ultimate level of masculinity is obtained by going to the gym and working out. Plus, the time you spend in a gym will come in handy in other parts of your life as well, since physical activity has been linked to an improvement in overall well-being. Number 6, take care of your problems before you take care of her problems. Another problem that we have to address in our list is the fact that a large number of men are facing problems with their sexual health, yet they are too afraid to discuss these problems openly, with their partner and with their doctor. Men who think they are excellent in the bedroom are starting to question themselves, with the latest research data estimating that only 10% of women ever reach orgasm through sexual intercourse, with the rest either requiring additional stimulation or simply not reaching that point during sex. This has led a lot of men to search for ways to make a woman orgasm, which is what we focus on in this article. Now, let's go to another video that'll make you better and more desirable in bed.